Hello, and welcome to Easy Peasy English. My name is Sarah, and I'm so happy you're here today. In this video, we're going to learn English fast with the simple and fun morning routine. This lesson is perfect for beginners as we'll use easy words and speak slowly. Are you ready to improve your English skills? Let's get started. My daily routine begins at 7 a.m. I wake up and stretch my arms. It feels great to stretch in the morning. Then I make my bed. A tidy room helps me start the day right. Next, I go to the bathroom. I wash my face with soap and water to feel refreshed. After that, I brush my teeth with a toothbrush and toothpaste for 2 minutes. Now it's time to get dressed. I choose my clothes for the day. Today, I'm wearing a blue shirt and black pants. I also brush my hair to look neat and ready. My favorite part of the morning routine is breakfast. I usually have toast, an egg, and a glass of orange juice. Breakfast gives me the energy I need for the day. What do you like to eat for breakfast? After breakfast, I plan my day. I write down 3 important things I need to do. For example, go to the store, read a book, and of course, learn English. And that's my morning routine. I hope you enjoyed learning English with me today. Remember to practice a little every day to learn English fast. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and tell me in the comments, what is your morning routine? Don't forget to subscribe to Easy Peasy English for more lessons for beginners. Thank you for watching and see you next time.